Hi students, today we are going to see about a case study of IPO, Initial Public Offerings. So it's an interesting case study in this physical year 2023. So before we want to know about what is IPO, we want to know about what is stock market, what is public company and what is IPO and so on. So this case study is all about nearly in this particular year 80 to 90 IPO. IPO is nothing but new companies is right. So that's the thing. So out of 80 to 90 companies, most of the companies are in the beginning itself they are not that much enough to perform well. So if you take 80 to 90 companies, nearly 70 to 65 companies are not performing, and nearly a very small amount, like less than 20 to 30% of company only they are performing. As a performing company they are having. So if you take even if you take US like countries, nearly in this particular year 157 companies came as an IPO. So what is the biggest drawback of this IPO? Why this IPO not performing in first 1 or 2 years? That's the case study is all about. So let's see what is stock market or public companies, what is all about. Stock market is nothing but we will be collecting market capital from the general public. That's we will be calling it as a share market or stock market. If you take what is IPO, we will be calling as initial public offering. Initially we will provide the share to the general public to invest as a new company, not as an existing company. If it is an existing company, we will be calling as an FPO, follow on public offer. If it is a new company, we will be calling as an initial public offering. Then if I am going to run a business, if I am having some idea, if I am going to get into a public company, I will be having certain amount of money in my hand. So what I will do means, overall capital is how much, market capital is how much I can able to spare in that particular company, and I will be a promoter of that particular company. Promoter is nothing but how much shares I am holding in that particular company, I will call it as a promoter, right? So the balance amount I will be giving as an IPO to the general public, the retail investors, institutional investors. So the n number of financial market participants are there to invest in that IPO. So after collecting my market capital, I will start my business and I will take my business to next level. So this is all about IPO. IPO, it's not like existing share, it's a new share or new issue. We just not buy like demat account and so on. We have to approach financial institutions, banks and demat accounts and agents, so on. So that's all about IPO. So let me come to the case study. So if you take recently there is, I said 80 to 90 companies arrived as an IPO in this particular year. If you take nearly 70 companies are non-performing, only 15 to 20% of companies are performing as an IPO. So there is always a huge gap between the real-time business what is going on, as well as the kind of strategies and everything is another part of the thing. So if you take US like countries, they are having a structured economy, so they know what business they have to start and so on. If you take Indian like countries, they want to have a structured economy so that they will properly plan what are the business they have to start for the further thing, and what are the business they have to should not start. That's the thing. That's the awareness we have to know about it. That's the first thing. So if you take new companies, they are investing much market capital in that particular organization or a firm. So funding or how much market capital I want to hold and how much fund allocation I want to do in each thing, it's more important for the effectiveness and efficiency of performing of that particular organization is all about. So if you take IPO is let me give one example. Recently, 1 year ago, IPO Lightning one company is arrived as an IPO. If you see now, its return is more than 300%. More than 300%. IPO Lightning. It's a lightning manufacturing unit which is started in Hyderabad and so on. So 300% within a year they can able to get out of that. That's the scope of the business. How futuristic they have to do that particular business is all about. If you start your business like food industry and so on, it will keep on adding. Yes, it will keep on adding. What we will be doing is we will be keep on adding the business of that thing. So the demand or supply will be won't be there for the maximum. We will be calling as a market competition. So how much the demand is, the supplier has to be like that and the company has to be according to that. That's all about this case study. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.